Let's learn Cheetos and Titos. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Cheetos and Titos. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step our left foot forward, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to step your right foot back and slightly behind your left and point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, stepping with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to chasse to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side, and you're going to rock your left foot directly back and recover onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. We're going to do our side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3. There are 2 options for section 3. There is a turning option and then a non-turning option. I'm going to show the turning option first, and then I'll show you the non-turning option, and you can choose which one you would like to do or which one you would like to teach, depending on your class. Weight is on our right foot. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right. We're now going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. Now, if you do not want to turn, you're going to replace that turning shuffle and the pivot with a shuffle back and a rock back recover. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and you're going to shuffle back, stepping left back, right together, left back. You'll rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and then shuffle forward with your right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. That way the motion still carries like it would if you were doing those turning shuffles, so everybody's heading in the same direction. The great thing is the counts are exactly the same, so whichever one you choose is totally fine. They're both listed on the step sheet. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. We're going to rock with our left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step our left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal and touch our right next to our left. We're now going to step our right foot back and slightly back into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and then step forward with your right foot, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your step point. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your step touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One thing that you want to make sure that you are avoiding is doing more of a K-step body motion, so really rotating that body. If you do that, it's going to be really hard to go into your coaster step. So you want to step into the diagonal, but you want to keep your body facing the 9 o'clock wall. So we're stepping, but still facing 9, stepping back, still facing 9, stepping back, and that will allow you to go into your coaster step. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're starting with your step point with your left. Step, point, back, point, behind, side, crossing shuffle, side touch, quarter side touch, and your chasse. Rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, half shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, touch, back, touch, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right, stepping with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the dance is going to end facing 6 o'clock on the full 32 counts. Wall 10 is your last wall. So you will dance your coaster step, and then all you're going to do is a step half pivot to face the front, stepping with your left, turning over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right to face 12 o'clock. Again, if you forget that there's an ending, don't worry about it. It's just for those that do like to end facing 12 o'clock. You're just going to turn around to the front wall. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your right foot. We're starting with our step point. Step, point, back, point, behind, side, crossing shuffle, side touch, quarter side touch, and your chasse, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, and half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, touch, back, touch, coaster, step, step point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, point, back, point, behind, side, crossing shuffle, side touch, quarter side touch, and your chasse, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, half shuffle, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, touch with the left, back with the right, back with the left, and your coaster, step, step point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Cheetos and Titos. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, it could be 3 o'clock at the church Sunday, working on my own truck to save a little money, doing my neighbor a favor, fixing that rail on his deck, eating Cheetos, drinking Titos, thinking about my cheek licks. No, I don't need fun to have alcohol. Don't need fun, nah, 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 nah. You get just as buzzed when you ain't having a ball. Don't need fun, nah, 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 nah. It's a good old-fashioned stress reliever. If it ails you, that'll heal you. Don't need fun to have some alcohol. Some people need a reason like a Vegas vacay or a double-decker pontoon party on a lake. Don't need no karaoke singing on a neon weekend or a happy hour work thing to get myself drinking. No, I don't need fun to have alcohol. Don't need fun, nah, 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 nah. You get just as buzzed when you ain't having a ball. Don't need fun, nah, 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 nah. It's a good old-fashioned stress reliever. If it ails you, that'll heal you. Don't need fun to have some alcohol. Don't need no fun at all. Could be beer, could be wine, could be sipping on something and crying. Could be brown, could be clear, could be helping you conquer your fears. Could be beer, could be wine, could be sipping on something and crying. Could be smooth, could be strong, could be getting your heartbreak